Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Govee Home app not working on your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using the Govee Home app and it's not responding, or maybe it's not loading. How do you actually go ahead and fix this app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, the first thing that you can do is that while you're on the Govee Home app, you could actually hold down on your phone and swipe up until it becomes a minimized window just like this. Once it's on this setup right over here, you want to grab your Govee Home app window, see how I can swipe it up and down, and you want to go ahead and swipe it up. That's going to delete your Govee Home app and restart it. So now all you've got to do is just find your Govee Home app and click on it again. And there you go, you've restarted it. Now, the other thing that you can do is that you could actually go into the App Store and you can search up Govee Home app and you could actually go ahead and update your app. So with that, right now, there is no update available for the Govee Home app, but if there was, you would just click on update and update the app. Now, the third thing that you can do is that you do want to make sure that you have a stable connection. So right now I'm on my mobile data, but you can actually go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi and that might go ahead and get your Govee Home app to work on your phone. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Govee Home app not working on your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.